Hello everyone. Hello Jangju. Hello Miu Noise. Hello the guy. Okay, I hear you. Yeah, I might make a demo on of the losing option. Like for example, maybe for the Gungeon, I have a thought of making like the Gungeon control, like the two stick control for shooting the gun and for moving the character around. Okay. So I guess it's time to start. Hello. Yes. So, yeah. Actually, I picked this as like a title screen because I want to show you an application of how to use anchor to position nodon. So, if you haven't watched the tutorial on anchor to position nodon, then watch it. But I think most of the people here have watched. And with this, you can like draw any equations. Not any equations, but like many of them, like heart shape or like the egg shape. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, for today's stream, I'm going to build a game and like previously, I asked everyone to vote, right? So thank you very much for voting. And as the result, the winning one is the Akachan, the Mario Party girl. So what we are going to do is we are going to build a Mario Party mini game, but which game? What do you mean by I forget? Okay. So the problem is, yeah. Okay, so which game I'm going to build? Let's go watch some demo, shall we?
Start!
Yeah. So the other day I went to play Mario Party with Justin and Yuka-san. And yeah, I played this game and I like it a lot. So basically we have to make a face. Like make the browser face. What do you mean by the guy? So we are going to recreate this one in GBG. But of course, we are not going to create the browser face. Yeah. Okay, let's come back. So what we are going to create is this one. It is inspired by the making a face in Mario Party game. So what will happen is that there will be like instead of creating the Bowser face, we are going to create an Akachan face. And like my plan is that in the future you can also use this as a template for other game. And yeah, as you can see right in the control, you can also move left, right, up, down. Yes. So this is the game that we are going to create today. Yay! It is a Mario Party mini game. So there are a few things to do here. Like the first one is like I have to move the pieces around before dropping, right? And then after dropping the pieces, I have to compute the scores. And I think the last thing I would do, not the last, but second to the last, is that I would like to add the timer. And the last thing is to add like moving Akachan character or moving Asakung or Spot. Yeah, as Dylan suggested the name. Okay, so shall we start building the game? Okay, let's go. Yeah, and this one is inspired by the game in Mirror's stream, right? I joined Mario Party stream. And I pair with Yuka-san or Justin's wife. Yeah, if you want to know the result, then yeah, check the stream. Yeah, so currently I already have the Akachan character that can running around, but like most likely I will not use this one, but I will implement the game mechanic first. who is Asakung. So yeah, Asakung is basically a new character that is Agachan's little brother. Yes, I will show you a nice, better drawing later. Yeah, but this one is just a draft. Maybe, yeah, I can show you the nicer drawing later. So Jung Jung-woo, what have you seen this one? So this is the game that I'm going to make. So basically, we will have a controller above, and like I will drop pieces of Agacang's face, like eyes, mouth, and after that, I will compute the score. So let's say if I drop the eyes here, then like I would get the score of 0. Yeah, and yeah, basically I have to move left, right, up, down to move these eyes or mouth around. Okay. And this is a current programming screen. I only have the Agachan from the previous game, but other than that, I have nothing else. So, yeah, the first thing that I'm going to do is let's create a plane that we are going to put Agachan face on. Actually, let me remove the plane from the world and then just add a box. Yeah, this is like the Mario Party, the making the face game. Yeah, it is Mario Party, but we are remaking Agachan in the Mario Party game. Yeah, so I hope it's not going to be. I think, yeah, I'm not sure. Actually, I haven't created a game for myself for a while. Like most of the time, I just create the tutorial. Yeah, so let's create a base. This is going to be where we can throw all the pieces. Um, yeah, maybe here. And then go to the properties. I'm going to make it not movable because otherwise it will fall. Yeah, just don't mind Agachan falling. Then um I need to define the playable area, right? So let me create another box. I mean, this one, the base box here is going to be where all the characters are moving, like for aesthetics later. But this piece is what I'm going to like put all the faces on, like all of this. Uh-huh. Really? This one is the okay. Yeah. So next, let me maybe I put this one at 000 position. And the size, keep it simple, make it 8 meter. Actually, which game do you think is the hardest one to make in Mario Party? Yeah, so the size of this one is 8 meters times 8 meter. Okay. And the position, yeah, let's move it down. Uh-huh. Let's make the color slightly different. So this is where I'm going to put all the pieces on. Let's make it which color? Like just color lime green. Yeah, so I will move the cursor on this. Oh my god, the shadow is rendering. Yeah, I think Python game is can be difficult, but that's maybe the next one, or no, maybe the next one I would do Pokemon or Ganjian since those two got a lot of votes. Yeah. Um, so next I'm going to make uh like this this hand for moving pieces around, right? Yeah, so basically I need to create this one to move pieces like eyes, nose, or mouth. Or no, actually let me draw a face first so that when new people come, they will know what I'm doing. So boss Pokemon and Gungeon are having a tie right now. Actually, I really like one of the comments by Chalupa Joe. So Chalupa Joe said, no matter which one won, Gungeon is always in his heart. Okay, let me draw Akacang quick. Oh my god. Yes. This is so bad. Oh no, we don't need her face because later we are going to drop pieces later. Yeah. So she doesn't need a face right now. Right. Yeah, we are going to make her face later. We can like fix this later. Right now, just make it. I need to make sure that this part connect to the below texture. So let's flip it and then rotate. Then I'm going to continue drawing. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, so that game, we still have a plan to do that game though, but like right now it's on pause. Yeah, so in that in that stream you draw a lot of texture. Are you referring to the Totoro one, Dong Jung-bu? Next is Agacang hat. Yeah, I think you are referring to the... No, but usually I don't use a mouse to draw. Like, usually I use like a stylus. Oh my god. Okay, I think now her hat is too big. Let's lock this first. Lock this as well. Her head is going to be quite flat. But no, it's fine. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I think it's fine. Right now we can guess that she is Akacang maybe. Yeah, let's add some cheek so that people can know that her eyes should be here. Maybe. Hey Jay, welcome. So right now I'm creating a Mario Party mini game. Do you remember making a face? If not, I can show you demo for a short while. So this is the, the game, right? Yeah, the one that you have to drop pieces onto the face and then compute the score. Yeah, so we are building this one, Jay. Yeah. uh, yeah. Muses and artist draws with a stylus. Actually, oh yeah, what is everyone using when drawing texture? I always use a stylus. Yeah. So next I'm going to add mm, the control and make sure that it can only move within this area, which is um from x equal to -4 to x equal to 4 and from c equal to -4 to c equal to 4. Yeah. Hey, Meme Boy, welcome. Oh, Meme Boy use finger for drawing. That's amazing. Like when I use my own fingers, like I always, yeah, I cannot get the correct pixel at all. Yeah. So I think I'm going to use UFO for moving like the crane around. But let's make it slightly higher. And yeah. Then I only need to enable it to move when it is within the square, right? Ah. Yeah, I noticed that a lot of chess games do not have the do not have textures. Yeah. So let me add the stick input up, down, and then also left, right. But I mean, in a Mario Party game, this should be on different controller. But for testing purpose, I mean, for the control we can change later. Let's just use the left stick for now. Yeah. Then I only, but if I connect this one right now, like this, then I can move outside the box, right? But actually, I should not be able to move outside the box. Uh, so here I'm going to add a location sensor. but but the car cannot float on the air, right? Actually, yeah, I think you can also ah oh actually we can also use the free slider. We can also use the free slide connector. Yeah, let's use free slide connector. That one is better because we can set the like counter. Yeah, let's change to free slide connector. Um or UFO. Yeah, actually both work. If I'm using a UFO, then I will use UFO with location sensor. But if I'm using the free slide connector, then I can set the counter directly. Yeah. Hello, Justin. Yeah, but I think it's more fun to have some acceleration from the UFO. So let's keep it as UFO. Hey, welcome, Justin. So today I'm going to create the Mario Party minigame that we played together last time. The one that we make the Bowser face and you made the better Bowser face. But if chat wonder who won the game, please go check uh, his stream on Muref channel. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mew. Yes, I just drew this texture. Really, you think this is good? Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I'm going to add location sensor to the UFO. I mean, the first few step can be quite simple. And only when the X is within the range. Yeah, I will optimize the node on later. Mm, okay, so, okay, got it. So if the absolute value of X is less than 4, then we will enable the stick. The left right stick. Constant 4. So right now, I'm trying to make sure that, oops, I'm trying to make sure that my UFO can only move within this area and it does not go beyond the green box. Jay, okay, don't worry. Have a good night and sweet dream. So, like, when this is true, then I will enable the left right stick. So, yeah, multiplication. X is left right. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the Z axis. Forward, backward, I guess. Yeah, let's try. Ah, wait. Why? Why is it stuck there? Um, so right now when the location is less than 4, I would enable the stick. Left, right. How do I set the correct stick? Yeah. X and Z. The problem here is ah okay. Actually, this is not correct because actually when it is um no, actually in this case using freestyle connector is easier. Mm, yeah. Okay. Let's scrap this. I will keep it somewhere. But I'm going to use freestyle connector instead. It's going to be simpler. Ah. Okay. Yeah, so we are using an invisible box. Ah. No, but I don't really like using an invisible box to block the UFO. Or should I do that? Um, yeah, I think I can use the freestyle connector first. And then, yeah, I'm going to connect a cylinder. Mm, let's move this below the box. And for the X and Z, I'm going to use 2 counters. One for each axis. Yeah. Yeah, keep the cylinder visible and movable. So right now when we look from the top, we can see the slider. We can see the connect cylinder here, but we still cannot move it. So right now I'm going to make it move within this area, which is from -4 to 4. Hey, hello Noctis. Hey, hello David. Yeah, so if I use the UFO, then I will need condition on both direction, right? So like right now I'm changing to use free slide connector, which is simpler. I think. Yeah, so I need to use up down, up down, up down for Z axis. But actually this one will be too fast. I will fix that later. And this one left, right. And in the counter settings, make sure that it is range from -4 to 4 so that we can limit the movement. Yeah, so now I think actually I think I should set up a game screen here. Yeah, let's do that. But actually in the real game, we should not have like the top down view directly because it will be easy for the player. Later I will rotate it slightly so that there will be a perspective and it makes a player harder to put pieces. But right now let's just put game screen. Yeah. Although it looks like it is further away from like the green area, but actually this position is like at -4 on x-axis. That's because of the field of view. So like let's say if I reduce the camera field of view here, it will look more natural like this. I mean, it will look like it will look less deep, right? Yeah, at the edge. So right now I have the cylinder that can move pieces around. Yay! Hello everyone for people who have just joined. This is what I'm doing right now. So if we are going to make like Agacang, the Mario Party gamer. So yeah, we will have Agachan to help moving her eyes or mouth around and we will drop it. And after that we will calculate the score. Yes. And yeah, thank you everyone for voting. Yeah, and like in the future, you can also change these to other faces for your game. So it can be any characters. Yeah, but right now I'm just making the crane part. Let's make this slow down a bit. So I'm going to divide the input to make it smaller. But I mean like here you can also use a map. But because I want to use like one constant on both direction, I'm not going to use a map here. Because let's say if I want to change the sensitivity here, right? I will only have to change one place instead of changing at two maps. Actually, I feel like it's too quiet. I should set up some music. Let me see if I can add some music right now. Actually, can I? Let me try adding some music first. I have just realized that it's too quiet. Yeah. Wait, let me add some music. Yes, and I think you can guess, right, what music I'm going to add. It's wait, I don't know if it's going to be it was so loud, sorry. Yeah, it's still too loud, my bad. Yeah, so now we have got some music finally. I feel like it has been, but just now it was too loud. Sorry, everyone. Yeah, no, this one is not the this one is from YouTube Studio, so there is no problem. It was really loud. A bit lower. Is it okay now? Yeah. No, because like when I import to OBS, then like the sound was like 100%. Is it okay? Yeah, let's reduce camera sensitivity here. I want to arrange this a bit. So let's say now I will slow down by like 3. Connect to call up port again. No, this is not a tutorial video. This is a live stream on me building a game. But well, yeah. I also have. I think this is just nice. Also have other music I can change later. Yeah, there is that UFO moving around. But yeah. So I think now it's nice. Actually, I have a challenge for myself a little bit though. Like, I'm not sure if I can finish this game in 2 hours. If I can, then that would be great. Then, yeah, 3.5. 1 game per 1 stream. But is that too ambitious? I'm not sure. Okay, so next I'm going to make a piece for her eyes. So yeah, I'm going to create a box, and this is where I will put an eye texture on. The overall volume is low. I think. Is it better? Yeah. 2 hours is tough. But maybe like, I'm not sure if I can get the working version. Okay. Let's try reduce the y-axis. Make it solid, movable, and yeah, invisible because I'm going to draw an eye. Then I'm going to add a texture. Actually, there is one use case of 2D marker node that I have been wanting to try, and I'm going to try it in this game. Then next is her eyes. Okay, texture, face direction. Let's make it at Y positive. Why do you it be boring? Next time I will prepare better music, like at least a playlist. Yeah, I totally forget that like it would be very quiet. Oh my god, mistake. So I did not prepare so many music. No, what Sang Jin-woo said. She says, I make games fast. She wants to do it 1 in 2 hours. But your game is like, it has how many textures? I think your game has like 128 textures. And Jung Jin-woo made a game with like 128 textures in just a day. Actually less than a day because he has to sleep. Yeah, let's see if the eye fit or not. Oh no. Where does the eye go? It's solid, but it should not fall, right? Let's try again. Ah. Okay. But now it looks so scary. What if I change it to Y center instead? Yeah, I think it looks better. Yeah, so this is going to be the ideal position. Okay. Let's make one more eye as well. Yeah, she looks cute. Hey, hello, Pocket Trainer 64. Yeah, so right now I'm making the game. Making a face in Mario Party, but we are going to make Akachan face instead. And right now I'm at a stage that I'm going to move this piece and drop. So for this, going to move this box around by teleporting an object. So I'm going to add a teleport exit. Yeah, teleport. Oh my god, no. I did not want to call word nodon. Where is teleport? Did I forget? Okay, here. And then connect to the cylinder. Let's move this to the bottom part. So it should be from Y positive to Y negative. So now what you can see is below the cylinder, there is the teleport exit. And that means I will need a teleport entrance connecting to this box. Yeah, later I'm going to move this one outside this area because it looks too cluttered. Actually, you know what? I mean, before I made those choices, I have to think a bit first. Because I do not want to stare blank at the screen and was like, what I'm going to do. But I mean, I didn't think carefully though. I can show you the note, like, what is my current note look like? Can you see it? So this is my current note, which is not really readable. Like, my handwriting is so bad because I was writing in a rush. I mean, initially the first line, my handwriting is quite good, I think. But as time passes, the handwriting became worse and worse. Yeah. I can probably show you some other of my GBG notebooks as well. They are in a mess. Okay, let me teleport this one. I should teleport a box. Yeah. So right now her eyes will move along this cylinder, right? But we only want to start moving when the game starts. Okay. So here I'm going to use a marker nodon to define a sequence of the game, like, for example, like before the game starts, and then when we are moving the first piece, and then dropping the first piece, and then moving the second piece. So here I'm going to add a 1D marker nodon. I forget again. Yeah, marker display. This one should be moving. Yes. Jong Jung would use Notepad app on his phone. It's so small though, but like, yeah, how is everyone planning your game? Like, do you draw on your iPad or like drawing in the notebook? I mean, I still prefer using like pen and paper. Yeah. I use online material like Google Doc mainly for sharing. So yeah, here I'm going to define different states. The first box means the game has not started. So in the future, when we are in the first box, we will have a countdown like 3, 2, 1, and then we will move to the second box. But right now, let's do it manually, like by pressing A. So I'm going to add a counter, and this counter will help moving this node, this marker when the state changes. Yeah. Luckily, this notebook does not have much of the doodle. Oh, actually there is a doodle. I drew this before. Pretty random though. Yeah. And oh no, I cannot connect the counter to the marker directly. I need a map, right? Because the marker display only accepts input from 0 to 1. Yeah, I'm going to add a map. And here I'm going to count up. I mean, by right here the state should change when there is an event. But here I'm going to add a button So for each button press, I can move the state, like button A. And I can change this one to be on press. So each time I press button A, the counter will be incremented by 1. Yes. But actually, how many states are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are total 10 states which are from 0 to 9. So we are going to change this one to be mode range. Our range from 0 to 9. Actually, for this game, yeah. Also, let me open the game plan again. For this game, one of the characters must be Akajan, but the other character, it may not be Asa Kung though, or like Akajan's brother. You can suggest any character to move like up down. Right now, I'm focusing on the game mechanic, but like in the future stream, I will ask you for your opinions in adding more things. Yeah, I need to map from 0 to 9 to 0 to 1. Let's try. No, incorrect. Input has to be from 0 to 10, I guess. Yeah. Sorry, my math is bad. Actually, a lot of time when I use marker nodon, I still have to do like trial and error, so like not the exact calculation. Yeah. So when the state change, I will need a blue eye to read this and send the signal to one point trans A, maybe, like meaning I'm moving the first piece. Then I'm going to add wormhole exit A. Okay. So now when the game starts, I mean, by right, the eye should be somewhere very far away that we cannot see. And when I press A, yeah, now we can move the eye. Yay. Okay. So actually I have one question that you can make a decision. What should be her mouth? Like, should we do like an oval face or a smile? Big smile with teeth, or just like or just opening her mouth. What mouth should she have? Yeah, feel free to leave in chat. Yeah. Oh my god, look at how her eyes flying. Yeah, I can feel some problems here though, like her eye will bounce a lot. But I guess that is fine. It will give more challenge. I mean, that's an excuse, but yeah, I have a way to fix it. So basically we can add. Okay, so the problem here, but I'm not going to fix it now. It will be in more like Polish state. When I drop her eye, her eyeballs, right? Okay, so Dongju said smile with tongue sticking out on the left side of mouth. Okay, so I have putting a note like this. Okay. How many times have we been hearing Kazoo? Actually, if I change the music, let me change the music. Yes. Okay, so now you have exit Kazoo loop. I will play this one for 15 minutes and then change the song again. Yeah. Actually, there is one more thing that I want to try, which is to try computing the score. Yeah. So there is this one thing that I really want to try, which is marker this. So No, let me talk about my two solutions first. One of the solution is I will compute the distance between this box and her ideal position. Yeah, that is the first solution, which is to compute the distance. The second solution is I'm going to try using the 2D marker nodon, and I will see how much does the marker overlap with the opacity. No, with the continuous marker display. I think the pros of using marker is that maybe it uses less nodon. I'm not sure. I haven't tried using this method. So basically, I'm going to add. Let's lock this. Like marker display here, and then I'm going to add continuous marker display to where her eyes should be. Then when her eye moved around, I will also move the marker display, and then I will read the output. So basically, the output of this 2D marker nodon is how much this overlaps it with this square. So, like if I'm very accurate, right, it will overlap. It will be, her eye will be here, and like it will be fully overlapped, and the output will be 1. But if the marker is here, the output will be less than 1. Yes. Actually, has anyone trying to use like? I mean, I think many people like have used 2D marker nodon before, but what are your use cases? I think for Mew, I have seen from his code, he has used 2D marker nodon for creating a BGM. But yeah, feel free to share other use cases. I feel like my code is so spaghetti. Should let me remove this UFO that I no longer use it. Bye bye UFO. Actually, let me move her eyes to here. So this is the first piece. Then I'm going to read the location. So yeah, location sensor nodon. What do you think of this song? Should I put this in my tutorial in the future? Or is everyone still like, or does everyone still prefer kazoo? I mean, I have tried to change my music, but every time when I select other songs in my tutorial, I always receive a comment like, "Bring kazoo back, please." Jongju would use 2D marker for NPC dialogue in Mid-End Tactics. But why do you prefer 2D marker over 1D marker? I mean, because for your game, the dialogue only, I mean, it's a sequence though. Like, I mean, there is no branching at all. Like, it's like A talk, then B talk, then C talk. It's not like A asks a question, yes, no. Yeah, so why do you prefer 2D over 1D marker? Yeah, but this is the real location. I need to map it to like 0 or 1. So I'm going to add a map. X. In my god, I need some drink. Like 100 plus. Hello, Superlu. And I also need protein bar. I'm hungry. Just after almost an hour of programming, I'm very hungry. Do you feel hungry when you like creating a game in TVG? I always feel so hungry. Input range is from -4 to 4. Okay, so since Super Lu is here, let me show what I'm trying to make. Super Lu, are you familiar with Mario Party? Let me ask one question first. If you are, this is the game I'm trying to make. So I'm making a face, but with Akacang face. And also later it will be Akacang that move around. Yeah, instead of Mario character. Yeah, so this is a game that I'm trying to make. Maybe at like 1 hour I will play the demo game again so that I can rest. Okay. Oh, David says if I use counter on free slide, I can set what the each position is with marker plus counter. Yeah, actually that's true, but will it be simple? I'm thinking if like I think that way is simpler if I think for your way I will have 3 sets of this counter, right? No, actually no. I only need 1 set of counter, but at the moment when the eye touch her face, I will compute the score. Yeah, I think that's one way. But the problem is like her eye sometimes keeps moving after it has touched her face. Yeah, let's try with using the marker nodon first. Yeah, the output should be from 0 to 1. Wait, actually, yeah, I think it's correct. Let me debug this as well. So I'm going to add a number object with decimal, because like the output here is only from 0 to 1. Use a person nodon instead of box. Yeah, okay. I cannot see the number because the text display side has to be y positive. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now the game starts. And I will drop her eyes here. It is 0. Actually, let me try. It's mapping X and Z, not X and Y. So, it should be correct, like if I move the box here. Why does the marker nodon not move? Why is it not moving? Let me try something. Hey, wait. Okay, so actually I don't need a map here. Let me check. I haven't used marker nodon for a while. But input is restricted between 0 and 1. Oh. Let me debug a bit more. Yeah, right now it's -10 and -10. I will move here. Hey Aiden, hello. But why doesn't the... Let me debug. Yeah, it's correct. This is X and Y, X and Z position of... Oh! Okay. Look at her eyes. My god. Yeah, I'm trying to making a face game. Okay, so now I have got the score. Okay, correct. So what's wrong? I think I haven't changed anything. Should I remove the bouncing? So now the game starts. And I can drop her eye like this. Yeah, and for this one, the position matched by 93% for one of her eyes. Oh, thank you, David. So, yeah, in the coding screen, this location... Okay, so the number here is always -10 because the output here is the output of the location sensor's location, not the box location. Thank you so much, David. Let me delete this mess. Yeah. Then we need to repeat the same thing with another eyes. So after dropping this piece, I will change the face to face B. Yeah. No, wormhole entrance. Wait, actually before that, because I'm going to copy a lot of code, let me fix a few things here. So one problem here is it is very bouncy, right? Oh my god, and the texture overlapping looks so bad. The thickness. Actually, the thickness, as long as the texture is 0.1 meter above, it should work fine, right? Yeah, but why? Oh yeah, let me fix this first. My god, it disappeared. To be safe. Let's keep it Y center. And the thickness is 0.2. Why does it sink? I'm brute forcing here. So I'm increasing. So you see right now, her eye disappears. That's because I think I get it. I think it's because of the location of this texture. Let's see what is the height, the position of this one. It is at -4, but the size is 0.8. Yeah, correct. The position here should be y equal to 0. No. Equal to 0.10. Because it has to be like 0.10 above. Yes. Okay, I think it looks fine. Yes. So it is 1 hour mark. Let me have a quick break. And meanwhile, for people who have just come to the stream, I'm going to show you the demo of Mario Party game in case you don't know what it is. Okay, I will be back in a few seconds. No, in less than 1 minute. Okay, I will come back. Finish! Yeah, so you can see our goal right now, right? But I'm going to only create like one side only. Yeah. Because usually it's really hard to find 4 people, like 3 other people to play with me, and also I think it's also difficult for everyone. Yeah. Aiden, what game are you making right now? Are you making any game? Yeah, let's fix the consing part first, so that I can copy the whole thing. I look at my wall as if there is a solution. I feel like I want to use the teleport nodon, but yeah, I think we have enough teleport nodons here. So like this, I'm going to use a similar method to my Fast 4 tutorial that I use the teleport nodon to reset the physics. I mean, I have enough teleport nodons here because I only need one, which is the crane part. And like, since there are only 3 pieces, yeah, I will use in total 4 teleport nodons, which is fine. I have to change the ID to match the teleport exists here. Teleport what? I only need to teleport a box. Yeah, just keep it visible for now. Yeah. This is so expensive. No, I don't think so. Okay, next I'm going to add a touch sensor. So when the box... Hi, for guys. Here I'm building a Mario Party minigame. So it's a minigame called Making a Face. So this is my plan. I will drop Akajang parts of face around. Yeah. But in the future, if we have got enough minigame, I may consider building like the full Mario Party experience. But that one I will need to use swap nodon, which is not someone's favorite. I'm not going to say who that is. Yeah. So yeah, for guy, let me show the current progress. So right now I can move her eye around and I can drop it. But as you can see, right now her eye is very bouncy and it can flip. Right. And I also have a way to compute the score. So here it is almost correct. Like it is almost at the correct position, so the score is 0.91. The max score is 1 for this case. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm going to remove the bounciness. I'm going to add a touch sensor to check if this box has already touched the plane here. But Jung Jung-bu, what is your minimum threshold for using the swap nodon? How many nodons must I have in each game? Yeah. Okay, so this touch sensor has to be at the bottom of the box. So I have to change the connection point B from Y positive to Y negative. And I have to check for the box below. And when this happens, I will trigger the teleport B. And in teleport B, I have to reset the physics. Yeah. Okay, let's try. So I think this time it should not bounce. Yeah. It works like a magnet. Oh yeah. Oh my god. So Jung Jung-bu says. Yeah, okay. 512 for each game except the last. So which... Okay. Do you know the game called Baby Hat Crying Mode? That game used 512 nodons. Yeah, so right now I have fixed the bounciness part. Oh yeah. Yes. Actually, her other eye looks a bit boring. What should I draw here? I don't want her eye to look like this anymore. I mean, her left eye may look like this, but what should her right eye be? I like how the song has the kids sound like hee. It matches this game. Yeah, any suggestion? I want to draw a new eye, like her right eye. Actually, it's her left eye, but on the right side of us. Is there any suggestion? I think we are done with debugging. We can remove this. Ah! Okay, another option is to use free. Mock Mule said bouncing is actually in the original game. But how to use? He suggests using free slide to fix eye rotation. Yeah, I got what you mean. Okay. So Mew suggests this. Like, instead of using the teleport, let's remove this. I'm going to use like a free slide connector. Again, like for free slide connector, I need a base box without all properties. And then I'm adding a free slide connector here. So what will happen here is that the eye will not rotate. Right. Wait. It also does not bounce. Ah. No, Mew, it does not work though. It now it defies the gravity. Unless, yeah, actually I'm curious. What if I set y here to be 0? But at the same time, I also use the teleport. Let's say -1, for example. Let me test something. Ah, I see. Yeah, it will. I guess the connection will be broken. Ah, star tattoo around her eye. Okay, not orange. Sure. Yeah, thank you, not orange one, for the suggestion. Actually, I wonder what did you vote? I guess did you vote for Kanjian? Yeah, because I remember you try to create that Kanjian game before, right? You ref says Nani. Nani means what in Japanese? Like what? Yeah, we can add the bossiness back later. Like, instead of teleporting right after touching the box, I think I can add a small timer. It will bounce a bit. No, but maybe not enough. Yes! So now it will bounce a bit. Yay! 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 Let's try again. Ah! But this always work. Yeah, it always work. Okay. I think. Super Lu is asking about the sprites overlapping. Yeah, Mew, please help him. What kind of sprites? I mean, are you making like a 3D game right now? Not orange one. Oh no, it's Super Lu. My bad. Yeah, Super Lu, what game are you making? Okay. So, let's draw another eye. So actually I can copy the whole thing. But I need to measure the place of another eye, which now should be around here. Yeah. Then move it back. So having a star tattoo. Is she a mafia? Okay. Akachan is a magician, maybe. Yay! Actually, I'm curious. Let me test this on her face and see how it looks like. Oh no. Why did it falling down? Actually, never mind. Let me just test the full game. So here is the state. So when the game starts, there would be no pieces there. But when the marker move here, I will trigger the teleport A, and this piece will be shown on screen. Then when I press A again, I will move on to the next piece, which is This piece B. Okay, let's try. Hey, disco. Hey, how come everything is broken? It's suddenly broken. Ah! Oh my god, I moved this. Okay. Okay, so do you think you will get 96 score? Yay! That's a bug. Yeah, why? Because right now the teleport entrance here is using the ID B, but I have to change this one to ID C. Okay. Yeah, let's try again. Yeah, actually I want to know the total score. Let me add. This one is for the... What is this? Oh, we can get rid of this. We are not using this anymore. Ah, really, disco? I'm happy that I can motivate you to work. Actually, everyone here also motivates me, you know, like I haven't created a full game for a while until like, yeah, I got a few suggestions on like building a game stream. Yeah. So I have to thank everyone for that. Ah, it is broken again. What did I do? Ah, okay. Yes, perfect score. Ah, yay! So, yeah, here is the last piece. I really want to fix this part. But maybe for the stream we can do the mechanics. Yeah, the mechanics is almost complete. Oh, yes! So, the next is the mouth part. I really like the star here, but the color does not seem very correct. Shall I change to yellow instead? Yeah, I think yellow looks better. Yeah, Akacang with tattoo. Next is the mouth part. Oops, what did I do? I have to copy this first. So here I'm going to measure. Okay, clear. And then with a tongue sticking out, as suggested by Jung Jung-wook. Don't worry, Jung Jung-wook, this time I'm not saying anything bad about you. Okay, maybe let's try changing some music. Which song is this? I think this one is called Bunny Hop. Okay, let's try Summer Shower. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this mouth fits her or not. Maybe it should be slightly higher, right? So actually all the songs I have downloaded are from Queen Cast, the consume artist. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, I think this part is nice. So you will need a 2D marker nodon again for computing the score. Let me copy. Then I'm going to measure here, like it should be at this location to get perfect score. Okay, let's move back to the bottom part. Yeah. Okay, here is going to be the third piece. Let's lock this. So previously I broke the game because I accidentally moving all of this. Oh my god, I did not want to delete. I want to lock. Okay. Actually, what I don't like about GPG is sometimes I cannot click. Like, when there are many nodons overlapping, right? It's really hard to get a correct one. Okay, let's copy the whole thing here. But here it is in the state. See? So, I need one more wormhole. This is for the state C, which means that we are going to move the mouse. And I also need to change this one to states. Remove the eye. Also, this part which is for removing the bossiness. Yes! This is the mouse that you have asked, Jung Jung-woo. Now this one, the teleport. I have to make sure that it matches the exit here, so I have to change this one to ID D. Now you wonder what is this part for? This part is for preventing the eye or the mouse from rolling around. And then connect this one to X and Y. Okay, let's try one round. What happened? Wait, why? This is a very funny face. I still don't understand like why suddenly everything flipped. Was it because this one is too... I think this one I have to narrow down the... I think that would be a bug. Like, let's say I drop a few pieces. Oh, actually it's fine. I thought like there would be a bug if I drop all the pieces on top of one another. But it seems fine. However, like when I try for the first time, why did Akat-chan's mouse suddenly flip? Yeah. I think this one is not... because the box here is movable and it's like the whole thing moved when I drop the mouse piece. What kind of emoji should I add? The flip mouse, right? Yeah, why? Oh, I think I know why. Yeah, there is a bug here. Because actually, these things are square. And like the edge of the square overlap. Oh, face is so hilarious. My god. Yeah, I think I have to really fix the rotation part. Like, it's broken. Yeah. How to make sure that it does not rotate? Actually, let me try one trick. If I connect to the UFO, but yeah, this one should be non-solid. Can I prevent the flip? Oh no. Why now it is dropping so slowly? Yeah. And now it keeps moving. But why is it like that? Yeah. Yeah, I will add property. Maybe as a decoration. Yeah, anyone? Have you got any idea on how to prevent like pieces from flipping like this? See? I mean, I don't have a good solution right now. And I think it's flipping hard because of the teleport. No, don't try to force a physics on it. It's because it is solid. Okay. So I think this solid box should be small, but like on top of it we have like a non-solid box just for holding a texture. Like this. Maybe. What is not orange one suggesting? Do I miss anything? Yeah, player objects will collide with each other. Surely. Because like player object cannot even move if the object is not solid. Let's see if this works. My god, this is so weird. That's because the base is small, so yeah, it's better, but like I have to fix this part. Okay, so the Y should be thin. Oh my god. No, Y cannot. Yeah, the Y should be thin. But this one Y. Yeah, it's so weird. This one, what is the dimension? Yeah, I think I need to reduce the size on y-axis for the touch sensor. Actually, what if I remove the timer for now? No, actually, let me continue output for like 0.2 seconds. What will happen? Oh my god, it's worse. Yeah, let me remove the timer part. Yeah, it's... Okay, so the problem is... Let me demo the problem with the last two pieces. The iPad and the mouse. So the problem is right now, if I drop the mouse here, see? Because actually there are two solid boxes. If I drop another piece, it will bounce very far, like this. If I put this one, yeah, that's the problem I'm trying to solve right now. So I want to make sure that, yeah, the mouse does not move so far. That's the problem. Yeah. What if I change to Y positive? And put this one on top instead. Yeah, a bit too high. Yeah, I feel it's a bit weird though. Yeah, but this time when I drop a star, it does not bounce so far as what happened earlier. Make them non-solid. Yeah, correct. Actually, I can make them non-solid. Yeah. And then after touching, I can just keep teleporting. Yeah. And then it disappears. It's a bit tricky though, like, I mean it can stop in time, but like I have to extend the length of this touch sensor. Like this. It still syncs. Like, let's try something. Yeah, I think I prefer the previous solution that I used the solid box, but like a small one. Because actually I still want like a slight bounciness, like in the actual game. Just that right now the bounciness is so weird looking. What if it like this? Solid box and sticky floor. How do you make a sticky floor? Yeah. Oh, Jung Jung also suggests either teleport or location sensor. If y greater than 0, then making it fall. Yeah. But I wonder about like the sticky floor solution. Yeah, but I think now the current solution is not so bad, I think. Just that. Yeah. Yeah, let's try with this solution. I'm going to copy this. Reducing the size of this one. And see how these two work in action. Oh my god, it's so bad. Yeah, but if y greater than 0, then make it 4. Yeah. Okay, let's try one more thing. If I make this one non-solid, but let me connect to the UFO again, and like I will keep moving down. I will keep moving down when y is greater than 0. Oh my god, I thought like I was about to finish the game, but there is this bug. Yeah. Okay. Now I need to time. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think Jungchimo, I'm trying to do a similar thing to you. And I'm using UFO to help controlling. Yeah, I think it works. Maybe. I need to try with a few more, like with other pieces as well. Is this one solid? Okay, it is. Actually, what is the height of this one? It is not 0 though, it is 0.1. So when it is greater than 0.1, yeah. I think I need to increase the vertical speed. It's too slow. Oh my god, this is really max. Or like I may change it to moving box. This looks so sad. Oh my god. Yeah, actually, yeah, we can also mention that way, like Jung Jae-woo says, when the mouse flies away, that's not a bug, it's a challenging feature. Yeah, actually, let's remove this. Oh my god, now everything is broken. Why is it broken? Ah, because this one is not solid. Okay. Yeah. Actually, let's try this solution. No, actually, right now I'm trying, but because of the timer here. Yeah. It's like Akachan keeps jumping off at the screen. I think now it works quite fine. Like after I make the solid box slow. Yeah. I mean, there is still a chance of flipping, but for bad player, it's a feature. Oh, Miref or Justin, bye bye. Have a good night of sleep. Yeah, thanks for joining. Yeah. Time to change music because I have solved one problem. Maybe not 100% solving though. Yes. Okay, I'm going to repeat this for the mouthpiece as well. So making the solid part really small. Is it too small? Yeah, I think it's fine. Oh no, wait. Need to see that. But why? What if? I think it's because this one is too small. Why should be quite thin though? Right? What is the why for this? Yeah, so it's more stable. I remember why. Because right now there is I delay the teleport. Yes. Okay, let's try again. I think it works fine. Do you think so? I will need more playtest. But right now I think I'm quite happy with the current solution. We can even make the game harder. Like decreasing the size of this. Yes. No. Actually, we have to decrease the size of both marker display and this continuous marker. Yeah, so now it will be harder. Yes. Next, let's try again. This is quite harsh. Like here the score is already 0. Is it too difficult? I feel like it's a bit too difficult. I know what to do. I think it's too difficult. Yeah, actually I can also add like opacity marker node on here to give some score. Yeah. Shall I do that? Like for example at this part, I will give only like 0.1 Yeah. So here, yeah, I'm so kind. Even her eye is so far from the ideal position, she still gets 0.1 score. Yes. Yeah, let's add these to all the places. Maybe increase this one to 0.2. Actually, right now, I start to be unsure if, like, if using this method or just compute distance, which one is easier? Yeah. What do you think? Like 2D marker node on like this or at distance function? Let's try again. Actually, it's so hard for the player, you know, like because the player cannot know if this eye is for the left or for the right, but yeah. Why is there a bug? What has happened again? Like, wait, actually the opacity does not work like this, yeah. Okay, I think it was my mistake. Yeah. There is still a weird movement there. That's because the touch is too thick. So I have to make the touch sensor like thinner. Because just now if you notice, right, the mouthpiece, it floated in the air for a short while. Yay! Okay. Actually, let's compute a final score. So here I can divide it by 3. I'm going to divide this by 3. Like, I mean, summing all of this and then divide it by 3. To get a score on like a scale of 1. No, actually, let's do it on scale of 100. In that case, it's like mapping from 3 to 1. Mapping 3 to 100. So now it's like, if I can get all 3 perfect scores, I will get 100 points. Yay! Okay. Yes. Why does the score keep changing? Yeah, I think it's fine as it is. Next, should I add a timer? Yeah. I think we do not have. Actually, we still have a lot of polish. What I'm going to do next is like I want to change the camera view. And like, I will only show this camera view when the game has ended. Yeah. Okay. So right now I'm using a game screen. But yeah. Yeah, don't worry, Supalu. Everyone is still learning the game. Right. Like now I'm still learning. Like for example, like this is my first game that used the 2D marker node on. Is it? No, not really. In one of my tutorial, I used it for the sprite. Yeah. Yeah, but I have never used it other than making the sprite work, doing the sprite work. Oh my god, the more I code. Game screen is favorite. Jungjabu favorite node. Okay, so Mew asked if the game is done. How can I be so fast? So this is the current state. Yeah. Right now it will not. But like the texture sometimes disappear. But at least her eyes do not fly. And right now I can compute the final score. Yeah. Nice suggestion, Jong Jungbu, about replacing the crane cursor with Agatjang. Yeah. Yeah, I will keep that in mind. Initially, I thought like it would be Agatjang moving at the bottom part and like she would swing her magic wand left and right. But replacing the crane with her is also a good idea. Yeah. So right now I think I'm done, but like not perfect. Like I have completed moving pieces, dropping pieces, and computing the final score. But I still need like timer and a lot of polishing. I'm still not satisfied how it works right now. Like for example this. Oh my god. Part of her eye disappear. Yeah, I think that because this one is too small. Yeah. If this one is slightly larger, then it will be more stable. I think so. Is it more stable? I really hate how the shadow is rendering. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god, I forgot to remove the game plan. Okay, let me test again. So I think for today, this is going to be enough for today. What we have done here is that we can drop all the pieces. Oh my god, there is a bug. Yeah, so that's the plan, Mew. I covered the screen because there was a bug. And feeling like there are some bugs that not always reproducible. Yeah. So I think that would be the end of the GBG Builder stream for today, but we will have part 2 in the future. Yay! Thank you everyone for joining the journey. And for everyone who has left me suggestions, I I will make sure that you see those suggestions in the next stream. But although this stream has ended, we have Picross stream after this. So yeah, let's head to Picross stream after this. Okay, so bye bye. Hope you like this Agacang pretty face. Is it pretty? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Bye bye. I'm ending this stream, but I'm heading to the Picross stream later. And in Picross stream, we are going to have a fight between Jae and Jae. Jae and vs Jae and Mew vs Jae and Jang Jingbu. Okay, bye bye. Now what? Yeah, so Super Lu and Not Orange One can continue discussing in Picross stream as well. I would love to see how you solve the problems. Bye bye. I think you will be directly